every Biennale, Swiss Cultural Foundation invites Saloniers, and 2018 this invitation was going to us. So we are quite happy to do that.
We are here at the opening of the Salon Suisse. It is the Swiss participation at the Biennale that offers explorations, soirees and discussions about architecture during the Biennale.
The Salon Suisse is a sort of informal way to discuss about the topic of Biennale.
The title is En marge de l'architecture. It's a French title, but it means along the borders of architecture, which describes, I think, quite well the idea behind our salon, because we want to leave this somehow a little bit enclosed discourse on architecture, where you talk with architects about architecture and go out to other disciplines and ask the people from other disciplines, from the sciences and the arts, about their view on architecture and their view on society and their view of our modern contemporary world. And this, I think, is also a part of this free speech, taking contact with other people and out of these discussions and these new insights that we gain, to gain something for architecture as well.
We will have topics related to the city of Venice, to the lagoon. We will have one exploration to see the environmental history of the lagoon, which is very interesting because the Republic of Venice transformed the lagoon from a natural environment to the completely artificial environment.
And so we will travel with this fishing boat to Marghera Island, and in this case we will make an exploration that combines a visit to the real site and the sort of analysis about informal spaces of architecture in Zurich and Italy.
Architecture has quite some impact, because if we think that normally frameworks that are somehow regulating our thinking, we think of the alphabet, grammar, syntax and algorithms, but our behavior, our habits are formed and shaped in our everyday life by architecture. And that's why we think architecture has a responsibility and has also some influence, and we want to figure out. We don't know the answers yet, but I think it gives us a devil of a lot of trouble to figure it out, but we will do that.
Deference, can you still hear?